Hello guys and welcome to my first ever vlog video. And di ko yun alam kung mapapanindigan ko tong vlog na to. Dahil for sure magiging labo-labo yung content tong channel. Pwedeng Vespa, pwedeng food, pwedeng travel, pwedeng tech related, pwedeng photography related, anything and everything na pinagagawa ko sa buhay. Bakit nagkaroon ng vlog na to? Kasi hindi ako makatulog. Yun lang ang dahilan. So yeah, as you can see from the video, I am riding with Vespa S125 2022 model, obviously color yellow, that I acquired last June. And ang biyahe ko nito is from Makati going to Lipa with the VespaTitos. Then from Lipa, we're supposed to go to Piaggio in Cavite, but inaantok ako, kaya ako naiwan kasi natulog muna ako. Kaya that's why I'm riding alone. As you can see from the video, I'm riding alone. Now dati hindi ko alam bakit lahat na lang na nagmo-motor, nag-vlog. Halos lahat ng kilala ko nagmo-motor, nag-vlog. Hindi man napapublish pero nag-video. And I think now I get it why. It's because the view of your ride, iba yung feeling. Iba yung feeling na nandun ka sa motor tapos nakikita mo yung view na yun. Na-enjoy mo lalo yung nature, na-enjoy mo yung ride, na-enjoy mo yung motorcycle, na-enjoy mo yung magiging solo mo. Of course, wala ako ditong backride, kaya ako nasabing solo. Mag-iiba yung perspective mo pag nasa harap ka na ng pag ikaw na yung nag-ride ng motorcycle, kasi you really need to focus, kasi mamamatay ka pag hindi. One single unfortunate event will definitely end your life. So yeah, hindi ko hahabaan tong first video kasi hindi ko alam talaga, dahil wala naman talaga plano. Pero hopefully guys, you would subscribe to my channel and maybe magkaroon pa ng mga next videos about anything and everything under the sun. So yeah, this is my first attempt, and I'm hoping that you guys would support. Ride safe sa lahat ng riders, enjoy life, stay alive, keep alive. Peace out.